Hey guys, I just want to show you a couple of things. I know it's Friday afternoon, it's almost 4 o'clock, and we're all getting ready to go to spring break. I get that. I've been trying to get caught up a little bit myself. But I noticed a lot of you are not turning in some assignments, and I want you to go back and fix it. And I'm giving you zeros to help motivate you, okay? I'm putting zeros in the grade book so you'll see them there, and hopefully you'll go back and do some assignments. But I wanted to show you a couple of things about Google Classroom right now that will help you, I hope, um, when you are looking for how to fix this. So I'm going to go back here to the main page. This is our main page, and I'm actually logged in as a student in your class, okay? This is not my teacher login. This is a student login. So Michelle Parker, the student in your class. Okay, so when I log into my class and I go to classwork, it shows all the assignments that I have not done. Okay, but there's one problem here. This assignment, it says I turned it in late. I didn't really do it, okay? I marked it as done, but I didn't do it, okay? So I go in here, I can still see the assignment, but look up here, I can say your work turned in late, no work attached, unsubmit. Well, that's what I want to do. I want to unsubmit it so that I can go back and take that assignment, okay? And I can complete that quiz. All right, so that's one thing you can do. Another thing I wanted to show you is on the SRQs. I had a lot of you who submitted the SRQs partially done. We had two different assignments for SRQs in Chapter 17. This was one of them. It says read pages 316 to 322 and answer the SRQs on page 322. Okay, well, I could have done that, but I didn't, okay? So I could see that assignment. Yeah, I could do that. But this is the one I'm more concerned about because this is the one, most of you did that first one. In fact, I think all but one person did that one. So this is the one I'm more concerned about. Look at this assignment. This was to do all three sets because I didn't remember that I'd already assigned the other set. So this was to do all three sets. And it says the best way to do this is a little at a time, not all at once. Read the material, watch the video, take the quiz, answer the questions. Okay, well, I could mark that as done, but I didn't do it. So how do I add? Okay, well, I can add a Google Drive or just a doc. And I'm going to add a Google Doc. And hopefully it will take me right to it. Here we go. I can click on this. Look, there's a blank piece of paper where I can type up all my answers. If I don't want to answer all of them right now, I don't have to. I could answer one set of questions and name this. Look at this. It's already named for me. I can find that again, answer the next set in 2 days when we move on to the next section. And then another 2 days when we move on to another section, I can add those questions. But all my answers can go right here. Okay, when I'm done, I can turn it in right here at this button up here, turn in. And there, it's done. Okay. When I go to student work, I can see, oh, there's my student work right there, okay? Well, it says it's missing, but that was before. There is a draft in here now. You can't see that, that's the wrong one. This is the right one. And that was the other one. That's the one where my grades are. All right, so here I can see I have created the Google Doc. I can turn it in here. One attachment, turn it in. It's done. Okay, then I go back out and I see the next assignment that I need to turn in. Hold on, it's not backing up for me. I'll go back over here. There we go. But now what happens if I accidentally hit, let me see, let's view this assignment because this was SRQs too. What happens if I accidentally submit, turn it in, and I didn't really attach anything? Well, I'm going to get that little note again, remember? It's going to ask me, are you sure you want to do this because you haven't really attached anything? Turn it in. Okay, but I can still unsubmit it. Okay, so if you have a 0 down for something, unsubmit it and then resubmit it, and I'll see it come up. Okay, Google will send me a notice. I will see it come up. I'll go back and regrade it. Okay, so please get caught up. Some of you have a lot of catching up to do. I have rows of zeros. Okay, please get caught up, because otherwise I'm having to grade and then regrade and then regrade, and you're not making for a very happy teacher. Okay, so if you have questions though, send me an email or something like that, and I will see it. I'm not going anywhere. I don't have anywhere to go, so you might as well send me an email and let me answer your questions. Okay, all right guys, have a good weekend and enjoy yourselves.